Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming film and power are ready. Insert a fresh 120 roll and align the paper leader to the orange start mark, then close the back. Once done, set the aperture to the sunny or cloudy icon based on light. Pick 1/60 for action or B for long exposures. After that, cock the shutter with the wind-up knob until it clicks and advance the frame counter to 1. Make sure the viewfinder framing looks good and the lens cap is off before moving on. You now compose through the waist-level viewfinder and remember parallax. For subjects closer than 3 meters, shift your framing slightly downward. Once composed, decide exposure. Use a handheld meter or the Sunny 16 rule as a fallback. Choose an aperture that balances depth with available light, then set shutter speed. If selecting B, mount a tripod and use a cable release or fingertip control to avoid camera shake. Finally, after each shot, wind to the next frame and confirm the red window. You complete the roll by advancing until the paper shows the end mark and then open the back in subdued light. Remove and tape the exposed roll for processing. Once done, rewind nothing. This camera wins forward only, so ensure the leader is secure. If you see blank frames or odd exposures, check that the shutter was cocked before each shot and that the frame counter advanced. Also inspect light seals and the shutter curtain for holes. When in doubt, test with a short roll to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.